Ah, hello my friends. Today I invite you into my kitchen for a classic, old-school Italian shrimp scampi linguine. This is not just a dish, it's a memory of Sunday afternoons, the smell of garlic and wine, and family laughing around the table. First, let's get our water boiling. Big pot, plenty of salt, like the sea, eh? While the linguine cooks, I heat a wide pan with a nice splash of extra virgin olive oil. Into the oil goes a mountain of chopped garlic. Don't be shy. Then a pinch of chili flakes for a little kick. When the aroma hits your nose, it's time for the star. Beautiful shrimp, cleaned and patted dry. Toss them in, quick, just until they blush pink. Now we add a generous pour of dry white wine. Listen, it sings in the pan. Let it bubble, let the magic happen, and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for brightness. Season with salt, black pepper, and a shower of fresh chopped parsley. When your linguine is just al dente, pull it from the pot. Don't forget a little of that starchy water, it's liquid gold. Toss everything together in the pan and let the pasta drink up all those flavors. Once it's glossy and coated, I twirl it onto a plate, top with more parsley, maybe a drizzle of olive oil. Ah, perfect. This, my friends, is how we keep our traditions alive, one delicious bite at a time. So from my family to yours, I say, mangia bene, ridi spesso, ama molto. Eat well, laugh often, love much. Thank you for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe and let's share more flavors together.